Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the controller and removing the batteries. This prevents shorting. Use a T8 or T6 screwdriver and unwind screws under the battery sticker. Keep them in a container. Once open, note ribbon cable positions and take a quick photo for reassembly. Make sure to have cotton swabs and 90% isopropyl alcohol ready because you will clean precisely. This immediate setup saves time and avoids damage when you reach the joystick module. Now you remove the faceplate and carefully lift the joystick module. Once free, examine the shaft and dust shield for grime and tears. Dip a cotton swab in alcohol and gently rotate the stick while cleaning around the potentiometer to dislodge particles. If you see torn shields or obvious wear on the potentiometer traces, note it. Those parts cause sticky drift. Make sure to let alcohol evaporate fully before testing to avoid residue and ensure accurate function. Reassemble the controller in reverse, seating the ribbon cable and tightening screws evenly so nothing binds the stick. Once assembled, reinstall batteries or reconnect and test movement. Check dead zones and recalibrate in the console settings or controller app to confirm correction. If the stick still sticks or drifts, replace the joystick module or swap the controller. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, clean again and test under different angles. Persistent drift usually means component replacement is required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.